I think it stopped. Alrighty, guys. Alright, guys, welcome back. Subs and Pause. So, how to wire a dual voice coil subwoofer. We're going to go to parallel. So, you would go from your plus side to your plus side on your subwoofer. From your negative on this side to your negative on this side. And then you would just plug your coils right into your box, negative to negative, positive to positive. And if this was a dual 4, it would now be a 2 ohm load on your amplifier. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for other reels. We'll be back real soon. Take care of yourselves and each other. Subs and Pause, baby.